Hello, my name is Dr. Nathan Pickle. I'm a group leader and senior research scientist at CFD Research Corporation. This presentation covers a computational framework we have developed for minimization of neck pain in military aircrew. This project has been sponsored by NavAir, and the TPOC is Dr. Bethany Shivers. CFD Research is a small business headquartered in Huntsville, Alabama, with offices around the country, including Dayton, Ohio, and Fort Walton Beach, Florida. We were founded in 1987, and since then have grown to over 230 employees. We have a highly skilled workforce, with more than 70% of our employees holding advanced degrees. Our success is built on a triad of innovative technology development, providing expert services to our customers, and bringing novel products to the market. We have successfully executed over 1,600 contracts in our 35-year history, helping numerous government customers advance their technological directives. CFD Research has built a robust portfolio of capabilities in a wide range of areas, including modeling and simulation, design and prototyping, software development, systems engineering, test and evaluation, and wet lab analysis. This presentation is focused on one particular technology in our biomechanics and injury prevention portfolio. However, CFD Research has many customer-ready technologies in a wide range of technical areas. We have a number of contract vehicles in place to enable us to provide support to our government customers, including IDIQ prime contracts, IDIQ subcontract teaming arrangements, and OTA consortium memberships. Please see the contact information at the end of this presentation and reach out if you are interested in working with us. In this presentation, I'll be specifically discussing our computational framework that can help protect military pilots and aircrew from acute and chronic neck pain. Pilots and aircrew of combat air vehicles, such as the H-60 or FA-18, perform operational tasks that involve high acceleration maneuvers, head-worn equipment, and long-duration missions in a seated posture. Neck pain can be debilitating, leading to grounded flight crews in the short term and shortened active-duty flying careers in the long term. Trained air crews represent a significant investment of DoD resources, and it is critical to maximize the return on that investment. Thus, there is a need to protect pilots and aircrew from neck pain without compromising safety or operational capabilities. The objective of this project is to design and develop a computational framework that will advance our understanding of the mechanisms that contribute to neck pain in military aircrews, which will lead to better equipment design and mission planning. Several PMAs are being targeted for transition of this technology, including aircrew systems, multi-mission helicopter, light and attack helicopters, and fast jet tactical aircraft. The tools we have developed meet a variety of DoD needs, including models that account for anthropometry in both males and females, inclusion of seating, restraints, protective equipment such as helmets, mission enhancement equipment such as night vision goggles, and validation against published data. The ultimate goal for this technology is to inform seating and equipment design to protect against the development of neck pain. To elaborate on how our technology addresses current Navy needs, our computational simulation framework makes it possible to evaluate the influence of various mechanical stressors on the potential for pilots and aircrew to experience neck injury. These mechanical stressors include G-forces, seated posture, and head-worn equipment such as helmets and night vision goggles. The simulation framework has utility in investigating novel equipment designs that can minimize the risk of pilots developing neck pain, while also maintaining safety requirements during both routine and catastrophic events. The ability to account for differences in body size and strength enable equipment design that accommodates a wide range of individuals. Due to the difficulty of investigating pain through in vivo studies, computational approaches are required to better understand and mitigate the causes of neck pain. Our technology addresses this previously unmet need. Our technology is targeted towards several PEOs, including aviation common systems and commercial services, tactical aircraft programs, and the DoD Joint Strike Fighter. The solution that we have developed is a framework for generating computational models of the cervical spine to simulate aircrew biomechanics during in-flight conditions. Our framework comprises a number of key features that make it a unique tool for helping minimize the incidence of neck pain in military pilots and aircrew. We have developed a detailed cervical spine model in collaboration with leading academic experts. The model enables us to replicate the movement of individual vertebrae, forces generated by muscles in the neck, and intervertebral forces. We built the entire simulation framework on the open-source musculoskeletal simulation engine OpenSim in order to facilitate widespread adoption among DoD agencies. OpenSim is already being used in other ongoing DoD efforts, such as ONR's iPredict program. The size and strength of the neck models can be adjusted to represent different individuals. Simulations can be generated of pilots performing common movements while seated in a cockpit and wearing protective equipment. G-forces are applied to simulate various aircraft maneuvers. To date, all components of the simulation framework have been completed and are operational in OpenSim version 4.4, the latest release of the software. Currently, work is ongoing to conduct parametric simulations in OpenSim to evaluate the effects of in-flight G-forces, body size, and head-worn equipment on the cervical spine. We have been awarded a Phase 2 option to collect validation data for the simulation framework. Beyond the Phase 2 option, future work will leverage the simulation framework to generate specifications for prototype protective seating, restraints, and cushioning for air combat vehicles. The ultimate goal of this work is to inform design of physical prototypes that enhance pilot and aircrew safety, preventing loss of time and resources due to neck pain. Our technology has several features that provide advantages over alternative solutions and bring unique benefits to the Department of Defense. We have built our simulation framework on the open source platform OpenSim, enabling DoD users of our technology to benefit from the latest advances in the scientific community. The neck models are personalizable and can be adjusted to represent both males and females, enabling design of protective seating that accommodates a range of body types. Our simulation framework also incorporates mission-relevant conditions, such as G-forces and head-worn mass, which facilitates iterative design of protective equipment. The SBIR Phase 2 was completed in October of 2023, and the Phase 2 option was recently awarded and is expected to be completed in October of 2024. We are aiming to transition this technology to support PMAs and PEOs engaged in design of combat aircraft and ships, as well as other DoD labs and industry partners that focus on human factors and protective equipment. In addition, the simulation framework is not limited to assessment of neck pain in pilots. The framework can be expanded to utilize models of the lumbar spine, shoulder, and lower extremity previously developed by CFD research and applied to other settings with high risk of musculoskeletal pain or injury. Our team at CFD Research comprises experts in computational biomechanics, software development, clinical rehabilitation, and human performance. Beyond the computational tools presented in this presentation, we also have capabilities in wearable sensing, mobile app development, and creating video games to encourage people to exercise. We would be happy to discuss how we can support your mission, priorities, and objectives. In summary, we have developed an innovative simulation framework for investigating biomechanical causes of neck pain so that these factors can be mitigated. We aim to leverage this framework to support design of protective equipment for military pilots and aircrew. CFD Research also has strong software development capabilities and can provide user-friendly, customized software tools that utilize the simulation framework for specific applications. We are seeking contacts who have an interest in leveraging our technology for the design of aircraft, ships, protective seating and equipment, as well as for ergonomic assessments in other occupational settings. Thank you for your interest in our technology. Our team would be happy to answer any questions you have or to discuss how these tools can benefit your organization. For technical questions, you may reach out to myself, Nathan Pickle, or to Dr. Philip Whitley, the PI for this project. For business-related inquiries, please contact Dr. Pauline Roos, Manager of the Biomechanics at CFD Research, or Dr. Vincent Herrand, Vice President of IP and Technology Commercialization. At CFD Research, we believe in the power of collaboration, and we will leverage our resources and network to engage our customers at all levels. Thank you for your attention.